Objet, setting the new standard. Smooth surfaces and fine details like you've never seen before. Because it's the smallest details that make the real design. And there's only one way to get it. The Objet Alaris 30 Desktop 3D Printer. All this for only $24,900. The Alaris 30 is based on Objet's professional PolyJet technology, which jets ultra-thin layers of model material at high resolution. Objet Alaris 30 is the first high-quality desktop 3D printer that prints detailed, true-to-life models, no matter how complex the geometry. With the Objet Alaris 30, ease of use is built in. Turn any CAD file into a final model with just a few clicks using Objet Studio software. Maximize your productivity with a large build tray that allows you to print large models or many small parts simultaneously, saving time and cost. Test the functionality, fit, and form of your designs. Highly accurate models mean you can confirm the size, shape, and interaction of your parts, and even insert electronic components. Ultra-thin layers of just 28 microns and high resolution of 600 by 600 dpi produce smooth, accurate, and highly detailed models. The variety of applications is almost unlimited. High precision printing enables fit and form testing. And painting the printed models is easy. The exceptionally smooth surfaces are ideal for vacuum forming. High durability and outstanding surface details make the models perfect for rapid tooling. With Objet Alaris 30, there is no need to compromise on model quality, tolerate design inaccuracies, or waste time and money on repeated print cycles. All for only $24,900. The first high-quality, affordable desktop 3D printer. Objet, setting the new standard for desktop 3D printing.